that is happening in the region, and I think it is a consequences. As a consequence of the Arab Spring, the law talks about so many, open-ended and elastic terms, such as incitements, damaging the national unity and the social peace and the public order, and also damaging like public moral, or ridicule the state and its establishments, or
and the punishment's a lot more draconian, isn't it? A lot tougher.
Oh, definitely. Definitely. It can, and the imprisonment could go up to 15 years, imprisonment sentence. And also the fines can go up to 3 million UAE dirhams. That is more than 800,000 US dollars.
Interesting timing, isn't it, considering that the UAE was elected to a 3-year term on the United Nations Human Rights Council?
This is, very interesting, actually, because the decree law by itself has been issued on the 13th of August this year, but has not been made public until a couple of days ago, which means that it has been synchronized, apparently, with the event of the human rights election. The election at the Human Rights Council.
What do you think is going on, though, behind the scenes? I mean, clearly the government is worried about something. Are you getting any sense of a movement, sort of leadership movement in the region that the leadership there should be concerned about?
Well, I think definitely they are worried about any ripple effect from, the demonstrations happening in the region, especially in Kuwait now, because they've been repeatedly going into demonstrations and so on, and they are worried. But I do not think that there is a real justification for this kind of war, and it's because people here have been so far, going through more and much more peaceful channels. In fact, I could say exorbitantly peaceful channels in conveying their messages and voicing and their concerns.
But despite
so there is
that,
no justification.
Excuse me, jumping in here.
Sure.
You were arrested, of course, and I believe there's something like 60 others behind bars?
That's right. There are more than 63 individuals behind bar right now, and they've been kept incommunicado for quite some time. Their lawyers still, until today, is not able to have an access to them, despite the fact that this is a clear and blatant violation to the federal procedural code. Their family are also not allowed to visit them. They are kept in an unknown place, and they spent more than 7 months for some of them, and 4 months for most of them at least. So they are, and until now they are not charged. So there are some unjustified wariness in the first place to bring these people to justice, because they've been very peaceful despite whatever the government was trying to make out of them.
Okay, thanks, Ahmed. We'll certainly keep an eye on this. Human rights activist talking to us from Dubai. Thousands of people across